Good afternoon, friends. Today I'm going to discuss how to acquire the citizenship of India under the Citizenship Act 1955 with some very important amendments. So let's get started with the first slide. Section 3 of the Citizenship Act deals with citizenship by birth. Here, except as provided in subsection 2. So, let me explain the subsection 2 first. Subsection 2 deals that a person shall not be a citizen of India by virtue of these sections if at the time of his birth either his father or mother possesses with such immunity from suits and legal process as is accorded to any envoy of foreign sovereign power accredited to the president of India, and he or she, as the case may be, is not citizen of India, or his father or mother is an enemy alien. Here the direct word is enemy alien, but the first one, envoy means a person who sent with some messages by a country or by a government. They was excluded on that time, and the another provisions are which actually made eligible to a person for citizenship, or which are after the 26th day of January 1950, if he born in India, just if he born in India till the date of 1st day of July, 1st July of 1987, and B clause B deals that after the first day of July 1987, but before the commencement of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2003, and either of whose parents is a citizen of India at the time of his birth. Here, actually, the either of the parents were amended by an Amendment Act in 1987, and another amendment act was passed in 2003, and the word illegal immigrant was included. So here, the clause C deals that after the commencement of this Act 2003 amendment, actually, it's an amendment. Both of his parents are citizen of India. Both of his parents should be citizen of India, and another provision is either of his parents citizen of India, and another parents should not be an illegal immigrant, and another parent not an illegal immigrant at the time of his birth. That means one illegal immigrant. The definition of illegal immigrant also provided in interpretation section of this act. You can consider that definition. Illegal immigrant means any person who came to India or who comes to India without the proper document like a passport or visa, etc. They are illegal immigrant. The definition of illegal immigrant also provided in the interpretation section. You can consider the particular interpretation. That particular interpretation. So these are the section 3, and section 4 basically deals that citizenship by descent. Here the word descent means your nexus with a country with the help of your father or mother. Your father or mother, your nexus with a country or state for the relationship of your father and mother, etc. A person born outside India shall be a citizen of India by descent. Here the word is descent. Okay, the date is particular day, 26th of January 1950, because on that day the constitution was enacted in India, and before the 10th day of December 1992, his father only. Here the word father only is important. Okay, his father only. 1992, the word was only father. But after an amendment 1992, the mother word also included, and it's made gender neutral. If after 1992 your father or mother, either parents, by descent, with their descent, with the help of their descent, you could eligible for the citizenship. And section 5 deals that citizenship by registration subject to the provision of this section and such other. Okay, what are the registration provision? Let me discuss. The registration provision is actually a long list, provided a long list. Here the word, but the registration, for the registration, here the central government is the authority. Central government can authorize any authority, and he should not be an illegal immigrant, which was included by an amendment. He should not be an illegal immigrant, and central government by some operation of law, a person shall be a citizen of India. A person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in India for 7 years before making an application for registration. For example, before making or before submitting an application, he should be a resident of India. He must be resident of India for 7 years. Okay, a person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in any country or place outside undivided India. Here, undivided India includes now Bangladesh and Pakistan also. Okay, a person who is migrated to citizen migrated sorry a person who is married to a citizen of India and originally resident in India for 7 years before making an application for registration. Okay, who married to an any Indian citizen. And the minor child who actually citizen of India actually. It's simple. A person of full age and capacity. It's also simple. He can register for the citizenship. A person of full age and capacity. Okay, I discussed already. And another provisions is not so important. You can consider. You can read the provisions also by downloading the official Direct of Citizenship Act 1955. And the section 6 naturalization process is very important. So, citizenship by naturalization, where an application is made in the prescribed manner by any person of full age and capacity. Here, full age and capacity is important. Okay, there is some typing mistake. Sorry for that. Full age and capacity, and the central government here is the authority. Okay, central government can authorize any authority, or I mean central government has the authority if satisfied that the applicant is qualified for naturalization as per as per the provision of the third schedule. Okay, third schedule. What is third schedule's provision? Here, third schedule deals that a person from a state where Indians also allowed for citizenship, and any person from any country, any person from any country who has not a citizenship of another country, any person who is resident of India actually, who has not citizenship of another country, or if any person from any states who and the particular states from and that particular states also allows the Indian allow the Indian to for the citizenship, then the person can apply for the citizenship here. I mean India in India, and the person to whom certificate of naturalization is granted under subsection 1 shall taking the oath and allegations in the form of specified the second schedule. Second schedule basically deals for oaths and etc. You can consider the direct here also. Be a citizen of India by naturalization. Naturalization actually important for the definition illegal immigrant. Actually, the word illegal immigrant prevents some person from acquiring the citizenship. Here, it was included by an Amendment Act 2003, the Citizenship Amendment Act 2003, and as per this Amendment Act, some persons actually excluded from the for the citizenship. And the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 basically very controversial for this provision, because Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 provided eligibility for to some resident of India which are minority in other three states. Other three states means Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. Who are the minorities of these particular three states, Hindus, Sikhs, etc. But this amendment excluded Muslims only. So it was very controversial for that, because the illegal immigrant was included. The word illegal immigrant was included. If you are illegal immigrant, then you can't apply for citizenship. Even if your wives, you are Indian, and but your wives is illegal immigrant, then also your child will not be eligible for the citizenship. So thank you for